Hey guys, what's up? So, I got this pretty interesting request from Silent Pounds. Wanted me to do a little vacuuming video. Never been asked to do one before, but heck, why not? It will be my first video of vacuuming. So, here's my vacuum. It's a Singer power amp, 8.5 amps. Set it to floor and broke it over the years. And a sale for 160 bucks. Light doesn't work. It's a bag vacuum, so with that said, I hope you enjoy. And put it on. And there we go.